If you write your goals, there's a 42% chance that you will achieve your goals. But writing doesn't mean you will achieve all goals. If you write, I will lose 25 kilo in 90 days, that doesn't mean anything if you don't take any action achieving towards it. Hi friends, my name is Suresh Mansharamani, co-founder Tajurba, serial entrepreneur with 43 years of experience, presidential awardee, 3 times TEDx speaker, author of 5 books, certified Gallup strength and business coach, OKR expert. Let's talk about anatomy of planning your goals and setting your goals. So first of all, writing down your goals are very important, and setting bhags, big, hairy, audacious goals, ambitious goals, big goals, at the same time achievable, at the same time realistic, at the same time time bound. So we'll talk about how do you achieve your big, hairy, audacious goals. इसको भाग्स बोलते हैं. How do you achieve your bhags? 90 days is the best way defined in OKRs, objective key results, that you achieve your big, hairy, audacious goals. Yes, your big goals can be 1 year or 3 years, but break it down into smaller goals, and still 90 days define that you achieve some massive success in 90 days and set a foundation for next 90 days, and 1 year, 2 year or 3 year times, or continuously throughout your career or your life, you keep on achieving great results and massive success. So let's talk about what is this 90 days goal is all about. So first of all, we all know goals should be SMART. SMART means specific, measurable, realistic, achievable, and time bound. So this is very, very basic. We all know it. We've been reading about it all our life. But setting SMART goals in 90 days and with certain other methods, practice under OKRs, makes these goals more achievable, because most people fail at achieving 1 year goal. We see it all the time. We all see that. We ourselves fail many times. Every 1st of January we set goals, and by 7th or 10th or by February it's all gone. When you practice OKR and have SMART goals, then the thing happens. And along with the SMART goal, you got to have FAST. FAST goal means 90 days. You decide on 1st of January that 31st of March, I would like to achieve this and this goal. Then you make it ambitious. Like many of my students have achieved entire last year's turnover in 90 days. Double their revenue in 90 days. I lost 25 kg in 90 days. So I'll tell you how to do that. But it's a very popular saying by Bill Gates. People tend to overestimate. People tend to overestimate what can be done in 1 year and to underestimate what can be done in 5 to 10 years. Beautiful. So that's why OKR, and I personally recommend 90 days goal. And setting action points around it. Balancing between highly ambitious and ambitious, or maybe too comfortable. So if you achieve your 100% goal, that means those goals are comfortable. Or if you achieve only 10% of it, that means you are too ambitious. So you have to find that sweet spot, that real spot where the balance happens and you are able to achieve your goals. And you can measure everything. I would recommend that you measure everything from scale 1 to 10 and color code it. So for example, red means absolute failure, unacceptable failure. Yellow means some mediocre. Green means you are above 70%, which is a good spot to be in. So you can color code your scorecard, but must have a scorecard. Once you have scorecard, what gets measured gets done. Peter Drucker said that, right? So let's say company goals, and we'll talk about Tajurba. Now Tajurba wants to have, our long-term objective is 10 million members, community of 10 million SMEs, 1 crore SMEs in next 3 years time. Now it is highly, highly ambitious. Nobody has ever done it. Our biggest competitor, an almost monopolist company in world, has achieved only 4 lakh members in the last 40 years. And we're talking about 1 crore. This is highly ambitious. But yes, the times are different. We have Zoom, we have technology, we have our app, which is going to connect and generate leads for whole of the community. So people will get straight ROI from Tajurba membership. They'll get business from Tajurba membership wherever, any part of India or world they are sitting in. So that is 1 crore goals. Now 90 days. What do we do in 90 days? Next 90 days. So okay, next 90 days our goal is to have, say, 1,000 members. Right now we are 500, 1,000. So just double it. At least set a foundation of doubling it every 90 days. And then once the app right now is in beta testing, so once the beta testing is done and we are marketing it, then the exponential growth will also happen and we'll pump in a lot of money into marketing. So 90 days, 1,000 goals becomes our key result. So objective is Tajurba, the largest networking organization in the world. That's the goal. Having 1 crore SMEs of India. Key results, next 90 days, 1,000 members. Action points now. How do we get to that 1,000 members? So regular grand visitors day in every chapter. Facebook lead campaign to invite visitors, so that every meeting we have around 20 to 30 visitors. So this way we set our action point and then we have our at least 25% is our conversion rate. So this way we have broken down the goal into how we will reach to 1,000 members in next 9 years. So that's how you set your company goals. Wherever, for example, you are a digital marketing company and you said that I want to be the number 1 or top 5 digital marketing company in India. Then accordingly you set your key results, that how many clients you want to acquire in 90 days, and then what actions you are going to take to achieve those key results. Is that clear to everyone? Yes? Now, achieving personal goals. How do you apply OKR on your personal? So how I did it. April 2020, my goal, perfect health. At that time, I was diabetic. My fasting sugar was 190. My HbA1c, which is average of 3 months sugar levels, was 9.5 and weight was 105 kilos. So my objective, perfect health. Perfect means perfect. That means 75 kg, first key result. Second key result, HbA1c 5.5. Third key result, sugar, fasting 100 around, 105 or 100. Cholesterol, normal, liver, all parameter. My SGOT-PT used to be little high due to the weight and I used to drink alcohol once a week or twice a week. That may be effective. So I had a fatty liver. And certain small parameters here and there. July, April, May, June, and June 1st, July. Here are the results. I took all the actions. I went to a nutritionist. I had a very good diet. I was exercising every day, 5-kilometer walk. And on 1st of July, fasting sugar 105, HbA1c 5.5, right now is 5, cholesterol normal, liver normal, weight 78 kg. 78, 80 around that vary. Now I'm maintaining it for last 1 year. So this is how you set your OKRs for your company, for your personal goals. It's a very, very effective methodology. Google, Amazon, Intel, Uber, Walmart, all have been using it. A lot of my students have been using it. So use OKR, set your big, hairy, audacious goals, big objectives, 90 days key results and action point, and write down and measure everything on red, yellow, and green, color coded, and see you achieve your goals. Fast goals, ambitious goals, smart goals. Thank you very much. If you have liked this video, I don't have, every time I say I don't have team of content writers. I'm shooting this on my laptop, on my Zoom camera. Everything coming from my heart, from my 43 years of tajurba. So if you think this video is going to benefit any of your friends or associates, please do share, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you very much.